Discover the power of emphasis, using passive voice in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language, the passive voice. Specifically, we're going to explore how it's used to emphasize the action rather than the doer. So, if you're ready to broaden your understanding and enhance your communication skills, let's jump right in. The first thing we need to understand is what the passive voice is. In English, we can express actions in two ways: the active voice and the passive voice. When we use the active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action, like in the sentence, John baked the cake. But in the passive voice, the subject is acted upon by someone or something, as in, the cake was baked by John. The crucial point here is that the passive voice allows us to shift our focus from who is doing the action, the doer, to what is being done, the action. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I want to emphasize the action over the doer? Good question. There are several situations where this can be useful. You might want to highlight the action when 1. The action is more important than who or what is performing it. 2. You want to create an air of mystery or intrigue by not immediately revealing who the doer is. 3. You are writing in a formal or academic context, where passive voice is often preferred. Let's look at some examples to clarify these points. 1. The action is more important. A cure for the disease has been discovered. Here, the important news is the discovery of the cure, not who discovered it. 2. Creating mystery. The cake was eaten. Who ate the cake? We don't know, and that's part of the intrigue. 3. Formal context. It is believed that climate change is accelerating. This kind of passive construction is common in academic and formal writing. There you have it. By choosing to use the passive voice, you can masterfully shift emphasis in your English sentences from the doer to the action. Remember, it's all about deciding what information you want to highlight. As always, practice makes perfect, so try using passive voice in your conversations and writing. I hope you found this lesson helpful, and happy learning.